then automatically na po, magkakaroon na po, hindi na po kayo mauubusan ng ads credits. So, yun. So, a tip we can give po is to always maintain 7 days worth of ad spending to keep your ads going. So, when starting po, ang nire-recommend po namin sa mga sellers namin is usually 2,500 pesos. But of course, we know naman that some sellers, malaki na sa kanila yung amount na yun. But in 2,500 po, it will assure you po of at least 1 to 2 weeks of effective and running ads sa shop. So now, ito po yung mga different payment options natin sa if you want to top up to our ads credits. So now we have Shopee Pay, we have over-the-counter Dragon Pay, we also have the credit cards, we have the Dragon Pay online banking. Sorry, may mga dadaan. Dragon Pay online banking, we also have Dragon Pay remittance, we have the seller wallet, and we have manual bank transfer. All of which po are available sa ating browser and sa app, except po sa manual bank transfer, which can just be done sa Shopee Ads on the browsers. So before proceeding, here are some top-up and Shopee Ads frequently asked questions. So the first frequently asked question po regarding topping up is what type of credit cards are allowed? So currently po, we only accept credit cards from local banks. So yeah, local banks na po ina-accept namin. And then the second frequently asked question is, can I get a refund? So according to the terms and conditions of Shopee Ads, section 19.3. So, yung My Ads credits po natin, cannot be refunded po. So, the answer to that is no, hindi po siya refundable. And then, the next frequently asked question po is this an e-wallet for me to purchase other items on Shopee? So, unfortunately po, the answer is no. Hindi po ito parang Shopee coins. Yung mga binibili po natin credits or yung tinatop up po natin ng credits is specifically po for ads usage. So the next frequently asked question is, can I buy ads credit as a gift for someone else? So unfortunately po no, hindi po transferable yung ating ads credits kasi po before pa may nagtatanong sa amin na meron daw silang friend na seller, papadalan ba nila ng ads credit? So hindi po siya allowed, hindi na po siya allowed, and I don't think it was ever allowed din po. So hindi po refundable or hindi po transferable yung ating ads credits. So if you want to have a gift for your fellow sellers or friends, hindi po siya transferable. So you can still give them something else naman po from the platform as a gift. And then the last frequently asked question po, and dito po yung pinakalagi namin natatanggap, is yung My Ads credit po ba? Does it expire after a period of time? So the answer po is no. Wala pong expiry date yung ads credit natin. So mag-run lang po siya and mag-run out lang po yung money natin sa ating ads credits. Sorry, may nakikinig po kayong aso. Okay, so now let's proceed to step 3, which is to determine your ad objectives. So as sellers po, importante po na before putting up our ads sa platform, alam po natin kung ano yung natin pag-put up ng ads. So do you want to increase your exposure? Do you want to increase awareness for your brand or for your products? Or do you want to boost your sales or boost your kita or GMV? So right now po, we have 3 objectives. So we have awareness, so we have consideration, and then we have conversion. So all of which po are enumerated from low purchase intent to high purchase intent. So let's discuss po each ad objective. So on awareness po, yung main objective natin is to increase awareness of the product and your store. So para po sa mga users with products in mind na gagawa ng ads, so we recommend po to use yung mga ads and shop ads. While for users naman po na walang products in mind, we recommend to use discovery ads. So the second objective naman po is consideration. So under consideration, the main objective is to attract potential buyers with competitive product listings. So our recommended ad types naman po natin are keyword ads. So this is just to push your particular products to the top of the search results. So examples po ng mga particular products that I've mentioned are products that are just unique to your store, yung kayo lang yung meron, or yung mga products na bago lang and gusto nyong i-test out sa market, and yung mga products na matataas yung sales. So usually yun yung pinupush na products ng mga sellers to the platform. So yun, another recommended ad type for those who choose na to have high consideration is yung discovery ads, wherein you suggest your best performing and new product listings as alternatives in the product listings of similar products. And then yung last objective po natin is conversion. So under conversion, main goal is to capture and secure purchase intent from shoppers. So ang mga Shopee ad types po that we can recommend for those who choose to have high conversions are keyword ads. This is just to promote your product, the search results, and shop ads to drive shoppers to your store when a relevant search is performed within the platform. So just to clear things out po, yung shop ads po natin is not available for everyone as of now. So available lang po siya. As Lance mentioned, available lang po siya sa mga official stores sa Shopee Mall and sa mga brands. So yun lang po yung my shop ads. So again, just a quick summary po, yung awareness yung po is to increase recognition, your product and your store. So yung consideration naman po, the goal is to attract potential buyers. And lastly, conversion is to capture and secure purchase from shoppers. Okay. So now, let's proceed to the last step, which is to finally to set up and run your Shopee ads. So of course, you have to select products for your ads. So you do this by clicking on the iba na pala, the create new ads button that you can see here sa box number 1. Nandun na siya sa taas. And then afterwards, you have to select your ad, not really ad type, but ad type pala. So click on search ads. So yan, ulitin po natin. Click lang natin yung create new ads. And afterwards, piliin po natin yung search ads. So again, if you're not search ads or discovery ads, so kayo na po yung bahala at this point. But for this particular training session, we'll be focusing po on search ads. And then afterwards po, select products for your promotion type, and then click on the add button, which you can see here sa box number 3. And then upon clicking box na yun, yung add button, you can see yung mga products that are available na under your shop na gawa ng ads. So at that point, kayo po yung bahala kung ano yung mga products na gagawa nyo ng ads. And then afterwards, click on confirm, which you can see here sa box number 4. Okay, so again, some extra tips that we can give po is with regards to choosing the right products. So if you're a shop that wants to increase the exposure for new products, so piliin lang po natin yung mga new products na yun. So this is just to boost their exposure and test their market potential, kung malaki ba yung benta niya or how will the users respond to your new. If you want, or if you're a shop naman that wants to grow sales, ang mga products in po na are yung mga best sellers natin. So ano ba yung mga best sellers natin na kino-consider? So these are products that have more than 100 sales in the last 30 days within Shopee. So yun po yung mga products na kino-consider po natin na best sellers. So yun nga po yung mga best sellers, those are the ones that have great organic sales performance and great sales potential. So if you're a shop naman that wants to boost your profit, so focus lang po tayo sa mga products that sell well, especially those with high organic profit margin. So a tip that we can give po for starting users is to start with 5-10 ads para po manageable yung pag-optimize natin. Since pag marami na po, like let's say 20 ads or 30 ads, some find it very overwhelming and nakakatamad na mag-optimize. So if you're a new user who just wants to test out Shopee ads, so we recommend starting at 5 to 10 ads muna. And then, ganyan na lang if you find it effective for your shop. Okay, so after selecting yung mga products natin, now it's time to proceed with selecting keyword for those products na napili natin, nagawa ng ad. So currently we have 4 different kinds of keywords in Shopee. So we have the branded keywords, we have the product keywords, we have the category keywords, and we have the use case keywords. So examples po ng mga branded keywords natin, as the name suggests, so ito po yung mga big brands na alam natin. So like for example, L'Oreal, Samsung, P&G, Philips, Nestle, Adidas, Nike, etc. So examples naman po ng product keywords are, let's say, toners, fridge, sneakers, air fryers, powdered milk, shoes, mga ganun. And then examples naman po ng category keywords are kitchenware, stationery, and home entertainment, ano pa ba, mga toys, yun, mga ganun. And then for use case keywords, ito pinaka-specific po sa lahat. So examples can be running wear, cake baking, yun, mga ganun. Now, here are some tips because pansin nyo naman po, marami po kami binibigay na tips na very helpful po to you. So, some tips that we can give po if when selecting your keywords. So, you have to be experimental with different keywords, especially those of similar nature po. So, we advise to use variations, synonyms ng mga existing keywords and mag-include po tayo ng mga descriptors. So, for example, let's say for the word watch, so ang mga pwede po natin gawing keywords dyan are wristwatch, black watch, men's watch, ladies watch, hand watch, watches, unisex watch, and etc. And then, another example po, let's say for the word jeans naman. So, ang mga pwede po natin gawing keywords dyan can be denim jeans, skinny jeans, men's jeans, ano ba? Women's jeans, khaki jeans, high-waist jeans, and etc. So, yun po yung mga, pwede natin gawing keywords with your with that particular keyword. So another tip that we can give is check search volume of a keyword on Shopee and avoid keywords with low search volume. Yeah, Miss Shenka, meron po tayong live demo mamaya. So yeah, abang-abang lang po tayo. So, yan, nasa na po ba ako? Yan. Yung search volume po, you can see it whenever you click on yung add new keywords. So later makikita po natin yon. So as you can see here, importante po kasi yung search volume since ito po yung number of times na sinesearch yung Shopee sa platform within the last 30 days. So let's see, if you can see here sa ating example, yung word na quilt, it has 11,806 as the search volume. So meaning 11,806 times siyang sinearch within the last 30 days. And if you would compare it to the word WHC, it only has 11. Meaning 11 times na sinearch ng mga users sa Shopee. So of course, if you're a seller na gustong makabenta or gusto tumaas ng exposure ng products nila, piliin po natin yung mga keywords na may mataas na search volume. Kasi yun po yung mga keywords na sure tayo na sinesearch talaga ng mga users natin. So of course, when you go for the product to have a higher search volume, mas tataas po yung impressions ng ating ads. And then the last tip that we can give po for selecting your keywords is to use Tagalog keywords. So highly recommended po since yung mga users na yung mga target market naman po natin are usually Filipinos din. So pwede tayo maglagay ng mga keywords like relo, pantalon, kortina, unan, pinggan, sabon, yun, mga ganun po. So yan, ito, more tips since we love giving tips here po. So again, be creative po. So combine descriptors and characteristics of your products to come up with more specific keywords for your ads. So bid at least 10 keywords when starting with your ad. And kanina may tanong po, yung maximum po ng number ng keywords na pwede nating ilagay sa ating ad is 200. So actually, if you would ask us, marami po yun. But nasa sa inyo naman po yun if you want to go all the way to 200 or if starting lang kayo, like 10 lang. But yeah, in general po, what we recommend is 10 keywords para maging competitive yung ad natin. And then, the next tip that we can give is to check the quality score and the search volume. So, yung kanina yung quality score, yung search volume, napakita ko na siya. So, select keywords that have a high quality score and high search volume. So, piliin po natin yung at least may 1,000 plus searches na keywords in the last days sa Shopee. So, this will ensure that your ads would have lots of impressions. And then the last tip that we can give for selecting keywords is to set your match type. So, ngayon po meron po kaming dalawang types ng match type. So we have the types ng match type. So, sorry, medyo redundant. So first we have the broad match, and then second one we have the exact match. So yung broad match po natin, it's uh it's keywords for it's yung broad match are for keywords that are generic, and then yung exact match po are keywords na for highly specific keywords naman. So when you set to broad match po kasi, so let's say you bid for the word phone case. So here's an example, phone case po. So anything na related sa phone case, let's say kahit phone accessories lang yan, or kahit i-search ng user na black phone case, or kahit may word siya sa unahan, let's say black phone case, or may word siya sa huli, like phone case, Samsung, lalabas pa rin po yung ad natin. So, yun, ganun po yung context ng broad match. Meanwhile, sa exact match po, for highly specific keywords po siya. So, let's say you bidded for the word black iPhone 12 phone case, hindi po lalabas yung ad nyo unless itong mismong specific keyword na to, yung sinearch ng ating mga users. So, yun po yung pinagkaiba ng broad match and ng exact match. Okay. So yun po yung pinagkaiba. So generally, we recommend po yung using broad match as compared to exact match, since mas magiging broad, as the name suggests, of course, mas magiging broad yung reach ng ating ads. So now, another important concept that we need to have a grasp on is yung concept po na ang ad ranking. So yung ad ranking po, it's determined by your ad rank score. So of course, a higher rank score means a better ad ranking. So yung rank score po natin, it's influenced by two factors. So the first factor is the cost per click bid price, and the second factor is the quality score. So yung cost per click bid price po, yun po yung highest price that you're willing to pay when a shopper clicks on your ad. Meanwhile, yung quality score naman po, it's determined by two things naman. So, yung determining factor po ng quality score is yung relevance of your product to the chosen keyword. And then, the next determining factor po is the CTR, or the click-through rate. So, yung click-through rate naman po, it is an important to look into kasi yun po yung percentage of times that users or shoppers clicked on your ads after viewing. So, yun po yung determining factors ng quality score, yung relevance ng product to the keyword, and yung CTR. So it is worthy to note po that yung CTR, or click-through rate, is higher for ads with attractive pictures, relevant titles and descriptions, and excellent product ratings. So you may ask po, paano ba tataas yung quality score namin? So yun nga po, as I've mentioned, mataas po yung quality score, yung system po yung mag-determine ito if maganda yung